Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying out the Glam box for August 2022. I already unboxed everything. Just a quick update on last month. I was missing the lip gloss, but she did send out my lip gloss in this month's box. So great customer service. Thank you so much to Glam. It doesn't really upset me as long as I get my items replaced. I mean, things happen to everybody, so if you're missing any of your items, I would definitely recommend to reach out because she does have really nice customer service. But you guys, I am so excited for this box. I cannot wait to try everything out. So the first thing is the Cara lip liner, and I got mine in shade Showstopper, which is a really pretty pink. But I'm probably not going to use this today just because I don't really think that it goes with the lip gloss we got. So this is the Medusa Makeup Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss in shade Hot Stuff, which this is a really pretty purple. And the face palette, I might be able to use that as a bronzer topper. That's pretty. I'm sorry, I didn't even show you the palette. That's what the palette looks like. These two I could use for blush. This top row is probably going to be all for highlighter. I don't know, this shade here, yeah, I would use that as a highlighter for sure. Next up, we have the Manna Kadar 5-piece brush set. I'm so excited to get a brush set. I haven't got a brush set in so long. Like this, I'm excited for. I really try not to buy brush sets, so when I get them in my boxes, I'm super excited because I love to get new brushes. And the star of the show, this is the Gourmet Girls and St. Angel's Sinners palette. I'm so excited. This is the original palette. Some people aren't going to receive this. They're going to get a different palette because, yay, Glam actually sold out of their boxes this month. So good job, Glam. But I'm so excited for this. Yay! I mean, I am so excited for this palette, you guys. If I can get this plastic off of here. Oh my god. Let me just swatch a couple. OMG. Oh my god, you guys. Look at those colors. We're using this color for sure today. I love this color. Oh my god. Wow. And I mean, I was like barely dipped my fingers in here. This is insane. Let's try. These are so soft. Oh my god. These are beautiful. Alright, let me wipe my fingers. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this box, you guys. Glam did an amazing job. Like, everything coordinates together. That's one of the things that I really, really love about Glam is how she coordinates everything. Look at that blue. That's so pretty. But the lipstick, everything goes so nicely together, right? So you got the duochrome lip gloss to go with the palette. And then we have this beautiful palette. Like, everything just coordinates so well together. And of course we got the brush set. So that's really nice. Like, she does a really good job of trying to put everything together and give you like a look that will go together. Glam really does a great job at coordinating this palette. I was super excited for it. I am so excited. I'm so glad I got the original palette and not the backup one because I have been just like waiting and waiting and waiting on this palette. Like, I haven't been this excited for a box for a while, so I'm so excited. Like, this feeling right here is what you're supposed to get when you get like these boxes. You're supposed to be super excited to get these boxes. So this month I definitely am so excited for. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair back. And you know what the crazy thing is though? Like, these feel really nice. I'm like always excited to get new brushes, and then like the next time I do my makeup, I'll go right back to using the same brushes that I always use, girl. But I'm so excited to get brand new ones. First of all, I'm going to do my lips, but I'm not going to use this lip pencil because it's too pink. So I'm going to use this other lip pencil I have. It's Be Bella Only Yours. That's a really nice color. I like that a lot, actually. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the face palette. And I think I am going to use a little bit of that just to put over top of the bronzer I already have on. Because this can be a nice bronzer topper, especially for summertime. But I really like to look glowy, so. Okay, let's see, my blush color here. I think I'm gonna go in and use this color for my blush. Yeah. And with this, like, you really don't even need to highlight because it is so glowy. But that looks good with that lipstick. I like that. So I think I'm gonna use this white highlighter here. This looks like it would be gorgeous for your inner corner as well. I'm just going to use the back of this brush. Can you believe I'm not using my like weird brush that I always use? That's really pretty though. I'm so excited to use this palette. I think I'm going to take the biggest fluffy brush out of that set and I'm going to go in with Fred and Ginger. And I already have my lids primed and I'm just going to use this shade in my transition area. I'm going to take this flat brush here and I'm going to go into Sunny and Share. Oh my god. Look at how pretty that is, you guys. That is gorgeous. I mean, that's so stunning. I've been wanting to do a purple look and I'm so glad that I have this palette to do it with because this is gorgeous. So I'm going to take this brush here and go into Calvin and Hobbes. Put that on my outer. Crease. Oh my gosh, you guys. So pretty. So I'm just going to buff the edges out a little bit. There's no patchiness. Everything blends really nicely together. This is gorgeous. I love it. So I'm going to go back with that first brush and just blend everything out. I'm going to go back in with that first brush and add a little more Sunny and Share back in. I mean, these shadows are so pretty. They're so pretty. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use Calvin and Hobbes. I love it. I love this color. It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so now for my brow bone, I'm going to take a Thelma and Louise. And I'm going to put that on my inner corner and brow bone. Oh my god, it has like this purple pink shift to it. Alright, so now I'm going to go back with my first brush and just blend out. I hope the camera is doing it justice because these colors are gorgeous. I'm actually going to use a dark purple eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup really quick. I'm going to pop on, or try to pop on some false lashes. I'm going to try to use the Ioni ones from the dollar store. I'm loving this look though. It's so good. Okay, you guys, so I got the lashes from the dollar store applied. I think they look pretty good. I'm actually going to be running out later on today, so I'll probably stop by the dollar store and see if they have any more. But this is the completed eye look. I love how it turned out. I love the purples. They look so pretty. It doesn't quite match the lip. I probably could have picked some better colors to go with the lipstick, but like that SpongeBob color, SpongeBob and Patrick color right there would probably go really well with that lipstick. But I really just wanted to do that dark purple because it's my favorite color. But the palette, this box definitely worth just the palette. If that's all you got for 24 bucks, I mean, the quality on this palette is amazing. I hope you guys were able to get this box and try out this palette. And if you got this box and got the other palette, let me know down in the comments how is the other palette, because obviously I didn't get to try it, but I'd love to hear if it's any good or not. This palette's really nice. Really loved this face palette as well. Definitely like that purple shade as a blush. Very pretty. Matches the lipstick amazingly. Well, I keep calling it a lipstick, but it's actually a lip gloss. And the sparkles in it is actually like this dark purple sparkle. So it kind of does match a little better in person probably than on camera. I didn't try out this lip liner because obviously it's not going to match. But I'm sure it's a nice lip liner. I mean, it's a pretty color. So the brushes that we got, I used 3 out the 5 brushes. This one, it looks like it would be, I don't know, it's kind of thick to be a eyeliner. Maybe an eyebrow brush. I don't know. But this one looks like a really nice one too. I didn't use this one either. But loved the brushes. Super happy that I got them. I love brushes. But yeah, girl, let me know what was your favorite product down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.